Single-serve coffee maker, single-cup coffee maker for single-cup capsule pod ground coffee, coffee machine with permanent filter 6 to 14 ounces reservoir 1 touch button 1000W fast brew auto shut off, Brew. 2-in-1 coffee machine to customize your coffee compatible with most of the K-Cup coffee capsule pods, and with a permanent filter, this kind of coffee maker is perfect for ground coffee. With a 6 to 14 ounces water tank, a great day starts with a great cup of coffee. One button control and auto shut off function simple one touch button makes it easy to brew your favorite coffee. Preparing ground coffee or K-Cup capsules pods, add water, press button, then auto shut off after brewing, which ensures safety. Powerful 1000W fast brew technology ensures coffee brews quickly. Removable drip tray and capsule shells and filter with removable drip tray, supports for most standard-sized cups or larger travel mugs. Cleanup is easy, just carry out 2 or 3 circles with cold water, only to clean the device before brewing the first cup of coffee or after several using times. With removable capsule shells and filter, there's no mess left about cleaning. Compact and lightweight and portable with the most compact design and durable construction in the market, the coffee machine is perfect for home, office, apartment, caravan, etc. And it is lightweight, perfect for traveling, camping, etc. Whenever and wherever, this coffee brewers will save your time and delivers you a delicious cup of coffee. Quality assurance. If you have any questions about this coffee maker, please do not hesitate to contact us. We will do our best to solve your problem quickly and efficiently. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.